Okay, so I'm going to upload a few more files for you to follow my practice or demo. Okay, sorry. File. Yeah, so pie chart, scatter plot, yeah, and then yep, 6 more files. Yeah, the starter and the solution. Okay, let's start with the pie chart. Yeah, the simpler one. Oh, did I share my screen? Not yet. Wait. Okay, so here I already share 6 files for the pie chart and also for the scatter plot. Yeah, so including the starter and the solution. Okay, let's start with the first one. Pie chart. Yeah. So pie chart is useful for comparing the measure, yeah, in the dimension that between the 2 to 5. We learned about that in the Power BI. So recommended not more than 5. Okay, so something like this. Yeah. Okay, so first we're going to open the starter. This one, build the pie chart starter. Okay, and what we're going to do is to create a pie chart, something like this. Okay, so the step is the yeah, we don't need to put anything in the column or in the row, but we do that in the cards. Yeah? So on the marks card, click the drop-down list of the marks and choose the pie. Okay, and then from the data pane, drag the customer segment to color on the marks card. Okay, so where is a marks card? Marks card is here. Yeah. So here you choose to create a pie chart. Okay, and then after that, in the color, uh, customer segment. Okay, and then on the toolbar, fit drop-down menu, entire view. So customer segment to color. So customer segment, drag to the color, and then after that here, yeah, so entire view already. Okay, yeah. So this is still empty. You can name it, yeah. Modify the pie chart, show the sales breakdown, and add the label to show the sales total. Yeah, so here we would like to make it like this. From the data pane, drag the sales to angle, and then sales to label. Yeah, sales to angle, sales to label. So here in the sales, drag to angle, and then also sales to the label. Okay. After that, Name the worksheet the sales by segment and create the second worksheet the sales by region. Okay, so here rename sales by segment and then create again. Oops, sorry, this is not a dashboard. Sales by region. Okay, yeah, sales by region. So like this. Then double click the worksheet tab, sales by segment, and press enter. Okay, sales by region. Okay. Okay, this is another way of creating. On the search by region worksheet in the data pane, press and hold the control key and then region and cells. After that, show me pie chart. Okay, this is another way of creating a pie chart. So you would like to search by sales and region. So sales here and region. You hold the control. These two are selected, and then after that, on the show me, then create a pie chart like this. Okay. Yeah. So fit the entire view like this. Okay. Then you want to display the label. Sales to label, and then yeah, sales to label. Okay. So quite simple. The pie chart in the Tableau. Now, based on the pie chart you just created, which customer segment had the highest value? Highest value, yeah, the customer segment. Segment, yeah, sales per segment. This one, yeah, which is corporate, right? 11 million. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, very straightforward to create a pie chart. You can do a two-way. The first is by creating the pie chart directly using this marks. Yeah, create a pie like this. Yeah, or select from this, and then after that you click show me. After that, select the pie chart. Okay. Can we do similarly with this tree map? Yeah. Yes, sure. Let's try. Sheet the tree. Yeah. Okay. So just no sales by segment. Yeah. So sales, and then after that segment. Mm, okay, customer segment, and then this. Okay. Yeah. So the label, you want to display the sales in the label. So drag here. Okay. Then the color, you want to change to from the automatic to the orange gold. It is, yeah. Okay, that's a tree map. Okay, how about creating from scratch? This one is a tree map, sales by region, by segment. Okay, then let's create again remap. uh, tree map sales by region. Okay, so here in the marks automatic, okay, no, we don't have the tree map. Yeah, we don't have tree map. We have the map, Kanban, polygon, then oh, okay, polygon. Yeah, polygon. They call it polygon. Okay, then after that, you go to the detail. Detail is sales. Is that correct? Let's try. Uh, region, region, region. Here in the no, different. Yeah, okay. Polygon is not this one. Okay, no, yeah. But we have the text here, and the text is like you know, the the sorry, the cut. Yeah, so cut. Yeah, the text is a cut. So the text is, for example, sales. I drag to the okay. This is like a card, yeah, in the Power BI. So Power BI is like a card. Okay, let me remove this. Let me remove. Okay, yeah. This is like a card in the. Okay, let me change to the card. Rename. Yeah, this is card. So not everything are identical, like in the Power BI. Card sales per region. Yeah, so you would like to add the filter. Okay, filter by the region. So region is here. I put the filter. So all or a custom value or select from the list. Yeah, okay. So click apply, click OK. So now here show the filter. Okay, so if I select this, yeah, then this is the yeah, like the cut. Yeah. Okay, region, and then the size, make it bigger, smaller. Okay, then in the detail, you want to put the region also. Can we do this like this? Okay. So each will be shown the detail. Multi-row card, yeah, or multi-column card. Okay. So certain visual you can decide by clicking this. Depends on what you want to create. Okay? And also you can select from this. After that, show me. So there's two different way of creating the visual in the Tableau. Okay. So we have seen how to create the pie chart. Okay. Second one is to create the scatter plot. So build a scatter plot. Okay, so we would like to create something like this, yeah. So the column is average marketing, and then the row is average sales. So average marketing, average sales. Remember, the column and row in the TABLEAU is yeah, column meaning this one, yeah, vertical, and then row is this horizontal, yeah. So different y and x, yeah. So the column is the x-axis, row is the y-axis, and then the color is product type, and then the detail is a state and area code. Okay. So first you're going to create something like this first, yeah. Scatter plot, yeah. Some market marketing, and then average marketing, average sales in the column and row. Average marketing, average sales. Okay, sales to the row, marketing to the column. Sales to the row, marketing to the columns. Okay, sales to the row, marketing to the column. Okay, so something like this. Maybe the label is too big like this, yeah. I put in 1,000 in the format, yeah. So put the currency custom 0 decimal, and then the unit is 1,000. Okay, yeah, like this. This one also format to the numeric custom 0 decimal, then 1,000. Okay. After that, we're going to show greater level of detail, product type, state, and area code. Okay, so put into the detail, product type, and then state and area code into the detail. Yeah, product type, state, and area code. Okay, so here you select the product type, state, and area code. This one, three. Yeah, three of them you drag to the detail here. Okay, now you're going to sort, yeah, based on this product type, state, and area code. So product type first on the top, state, and then area code. Yeah, okay. So similar like this. Okay. Now we want to change the color. So the color is based on the product type. Okay. So go back here. You drag the product type to the color. Okay. Yeah. Here, change the color. After that, from the marks card, drag the product type to color already. Yeah. Change the view so display the average for the both measure. Okay. Change the view so it displays the average for the both measure. Average. Yeah. Average marketing, average sales. Right click sum marketing into the average. Okay, so here in the measure, yeah, so change to set average. This one also change to the average. Okay. So the average is not even 1000, yeah, so I will modify this to remove the unit 1000. None. Okay. And the same thing with this one. Also change this to none. Okay. Then grid, yeah, so done already. Based on the scatter plot you created, what is the relationship between the average marketing expenses and average sales? Yeah. So here the average marketing and then also average sales. So you see that mostly it's almost linear. Yeah? When the average marketing is increased, then the average sales also increase. So form like a linear trend. Yeah. So if we increase the average marketing by 50, average sales will increase by 300, correct or not? 50, 300. Okay, that looks like correct. Yeah. So here, 50, 300. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So looks like correct. If there is negative correlation between average marketing, no, positive. Yeah. When the marketing increase, the sales increase. There is positive correlation between average marketing expenses and the average sales. Yes, positive correlation. There is no relationship between average marketing. Okay, so yeah, I think this one is correct and this one is also correct. Yeah? Find the cluster in the scatter plot where average marketing expenses are relatively low, but the average sales are relatively high. Okay, marketing low, sales are high. Marketing low, sales high. Okay, this one. Yeah. Coffee, yeah. 508617. This one, yeah. Maybe just know about the 50 to 300. Yeah, this one is correct. Yeah, this 50 300 is correct. But when you move to the 100, yeah, then instead becomes 600. Yeah. Okay. So maybe if you have to choose the best answer, that will be this one. Yeah, positive correlation. But this one is not yeah, not fixed value like this. Yeah? So in between about, yeah, but not exactly 50 to 300. So this answer is more correct. Also this one, coffee, yeah, Massachusetts, which is this one, coffee Massachusetts. Yeah? Low marketing, high sales. Okay, so you have seen how to create the cluster column chart. To cluster column is a, sorry, not cluster column, scatter plot. Yeah, scatter plot is useful for comparing the two numeric value. Okay. So the rest you can practice yourself. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so my test is already negative, yeah, COVID-19, but my throat is still itchy. So I cannot stop the cough. Already 2 weeks. Hopefully next week will be clear off. Yeah? Okay, everyone. I think that's all for today. And we have today we have learned a bar chart, and then after that the bar in bar, and then a bullet graph, and then a pie chart, also the scatter plot. Yeah? So not sure about next week. Hopefully you still have the trial license. So I have the lessons for the trainer, so I don't have to worry about myself. But how about you? You need to yep, to if you install that in a virtual machine, then you can reinstall again, yeah, to get the trial for different student. But if it is not, then you need to find a way, yeah, or using the TABLEAU public, yeah, which is a lot of the limitation, but we can still practice. Okay, so let me think about that this week, how to continue from here. There are a few more topics in TABLEAU that I would like to share with you. So at least 2 more weeks. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, yep, that's all for today. Any question, everyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a doubt last week class.
Yep.
Can I share the screen, sir?
Yeah, sure. One moment, yeah. Niraj. Okay, can share your screen.
Sir, this is the last week class.
Sorry,
Here I create.
you have not share your screen.
Oh, is it?
Mm,
No, sir. Yeah,
mm,
can see the screen.
mm.
Yes. Okay. This is the last week class. Then
Okay,
here I created the customer ID, all the things, sir.
okay.
Then Then here is my best and worst say, sell products and contribution margin, all the
Mm,
thing.
mm.
Then while drag and dropping,
Yes.
then what happened here? The product name,
Yeah.
something contribution margin, something happened. So
Yeah.
that here I got the means this is a major no, sir. Product name means I got here the contribution margin.
Mm.
Then I removed and I created new one also. I'm getting the problem. Means here, if you see, my
Mm.
values are all wrong. Means comparing to your video, here
Mm-hmm.
all the values I'm getting means different.
Okay.
Then means I need to go for a new sheet or means download my Excel sheet or
Yeah.
how I can change.
Yep. Okay. Let's check. Yeah. So the contribution margin. This one is the
This is the product.
product
Mm.
name. Okay.
Mm.
Let me check. Yeah. So in the measure value is a contribution margin sum.
Actually, here only product name, but
Mm-hmm.
by mistake I got the like major. Then I'm trying to delete also, remove also. It's not
Okay.
going.
What is in the bracket?
Bracket is contribution margin. I think
Oh.
CNTD means
Okay.
contribution
Okay.
like this means here,
Okay.
this
Can
one.
you remove this? You click the
Yeah,
arrow. No, 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 not there. No,
this one.
in the green one. Yeah. So click the
Yeah,
arrow.
yeah.
Then after
I
that, remove,
removed here also. Um
remove. Yeah. Okay. Then after that, the uh,
Means if I'm giving here the product name, here need to be product name and here the major name.
yeah.
Uh, but if I go to show me the values, same thing, sir. Means not same as your values. here you see, sir, the
Mm-mm.
measure name is coming to the row, not in
Have,
columns.
yeah. Have you tried to start over again from scratch?
Not yet, sir, because from means I didn't
Mm. Because
means again
here,
a new sheet, sir. Means again new sheet and the
yeah.
like that. Ah, no,
Yeah.
I didn't try
So
actually.
one moment, yeah. The product name is the product name. Wait,
Actually, automatically it's been see, sir, CNTD.
okay, you remove that.
Yeah.
You remove. Okay, stop. Yeah. So
Here
you
also
remove.
I
Yeah.
try to remove, sir. Here also, yeah, I rename. This is it's
uh,
product name, right?
yes,
Okay.
correct.
But again, automatically it's coming to the
Okay, I think because
account
okay, let's go to the contribution margin. You click.
contribution margin. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, after that,
Actually, in your case, in your video, the contribution margin is under the product name.
yep.
While drag and dropping, actually, I got an upper means before the product name.
Okay,
From that, I'm getting the problem.
can you click the data source on the left? Data source below.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, data source. Click, yeah. Okay, so in the click the product table. Okay, so yeah, so product name, that's correct. So the contribution margin, the product name is okay, because okay, you go to the sheet again, just now. Okay, so the the product.
And one more thing, sir. Here
Mm-mm,
the in data source, the fourth one is book. Actually, if I go to here, then due to this CNTD product name,
mm-hmm.
I cannot find the some rows. Actually, some rows in your video. You got the all the means the book and all the number wise.
Oh, okay.
Means
Okay,
something is
one moment.
missing.
Yeah, I think I know why. Yeah, because you duplicate the product table twice. So there is a product and product one. So that's to differentiate the product name with the different table. Then it will create that. Yeah.
Where's
So
the here only? Product name
yeah. So
one and
you have to go to the data source. You have
okay.
to remove the product one. Yeah. So that's a product
This
one you
one.
remove. No. On the schema on the top, you see there are two product.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I
That's
think before is
yeah.
I
You have
don't
to
have
remove
only
this.
one.
Yeah, okay.
No,
Now you go back to the report again.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now you only have the product on the product table. Yeah. Okay. The
Okay, so
product one
now
is
I
gone.
try this product name to the row.
Mm-mm,
No.
mm-mm.
Okay. This is the same thing, right? No change.
Uh, Wait. So category name, measure value. Okay. Just remove the measure value. Yeah. In the T in the text. Yeah. No.
Tax.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No. Up, up. Yeah. Just remove this. Remove.
Measure value.
Yeah. Remove. Yeah. Okay. Then after that, uh, okay. How about the create a new sheet? Create new sheet. Click the plus.
Okay. Okay.
This one
Then
is new
here
sheet. Yeah.
this is same thing, sir. Same thing. I'm getting the here the product name.
Okay.
I think again I need to insert the data source means Excel sheet again. I think so. A new sheet.
Oh, okay. I think no. I know why. Because you see that in your data you have the two data source, the convenience store and the transaction detail.
Here
No, on the top you see
transaction.
below the data,
This
you
one.
have the two data store. So there's and we have the two column with the same name, product name. Okay, you click again the data source. Yeah, so here product yeah, so you have the transaction detail plus the convenience store. You click the arrow in the transaction detail. Click no. Yeah, so you see here
Transaction.
that you have the convenience store.
Okay.
Uh,
Convenience store is here.
yeah.
Here the schema is correct, Mr. Means I've taken the product one.
Mm,
Here the schema is correct.
mm,
And also the if we go to the product table,
yeah.
how I can see the values here, Mr.
Yeah. Okay. So you
If
see.
I click that one, I'm getting
Yeah,
the
because
okay.
I think something messing with this. You see that you have the product one, two table. Yeah, okay. So wait, how to
Here,
fix
shall I
this?
remove one?
Yeah, I think you just start with the blank worksheet again, yeah, to clean up this data source because looks like your data source is messed up, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-mm. Yeah,
New one I need to down means
yeah,
insert and I need to do.
yes, yes.
Yeah, I will try so that one again
Okay, yeah,
from
okay.
fresh. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Okay.
But I got
Yeah.
the doubts, sir. In means real time, here we can means insert and do. But in real time, so many data are there, so many the things.
Mm-hmm.
How means there if we get a problem, how we can do means, how we can change the name and the thing.
Okay. So normally you can do that from the original data source. Yeah. So in the data source, you can rename or you can actually, yeah, because you have to differentiate between the data source and the sheet. So the sheet is just a visual. It is using
Yes,
the
correct.
all the column from the data source. So you have to make sure that your data source is correct first.
I need to check. But this is the whatever we are given the data source, means a system data source, no, sir. Here
Yeah.
we see,
Mm,
here we cannot make any changes. Actually, whatever we get, we will be inserted. That
mm-mm,
one.
mm-mm. So
Then
no
how
no.
I
After you do this, yeah, in the okay, can you open one of the sheet?
mm,
Yep. Okay.
okay.
So like for example, in the product name, yeah, can you right click and then rename?
Product name, right?
Yeah.
Here.
Right click
Yeah,
and
I
rename.
tried same
Yeah.
thing. You see product name, I give
Mm-mm.
again the product name.
Okay.
But same thing, it's automatically it's taking the automatically
Yeah.
it's taking the
Re-
count something
you
value.
know the reason why they put that one, yeah, because I think we have a duplicate name. So one is
Mm,
the, can you scroll down again? Uh, okay, very strange, yeah. Product name. So, what is it in the bracket? Count what?
don't know, so we cannot see
Uh,
product,
cannot
only
see.
product name. If we remove or something, we name
Count
also same
only.
product name
Oh,
only we'll
okay.
get
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Okay. I think I know why. This is the count is because automatically, yeah, if it is the uh, category, yeah. So that's like for example, you can change the summary to the count or average, yeah. But because this is a label, yeah, this is
Okay.
a ABC, you see, ABC. So you can only use as a count,
Okay, A, B, C.
yeah. Okay. So if you like you cannot for example average the product name because it is tax. Understand?
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
but if
Mm,
numeric, then you can sum, you can average, yeah. So when you drag the product to the measure, so you only have the only one option only, which is
count.
count only. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. The count here is doesn't matter. So if you
Here it's a product count. It's automatically
mm,
is this also
yes, yes, correct.
okay.
Yeah. So product
But the
count is
values
correct.
are changing now, sir. If we put means a product name is one of the means column or row value, but the
Mm-hmm.
values are changing. We are not getting the exact values here due to count only.
Yeah,
Means
that's correct. Only
here
count only. That's correct. So what you expect? Because
means yeah. If we want to means it is a standard. If we want to change means some or something means sometimes we need to do average or sometimes we need to do
yeah, you,
some.
you can
Then
do
how we
average
can
average sum to the other numeric value, but the product count you cannot because the product is the name of the product.
standard.
There
Okay.
is no average. There is no sum for the product.
Okay, okay. That is new means name. Mm,
Yes, because
mm.
it's the only product name. So you can only how many product like that. You cannot average, you cannot sum. But for the
Okay.
numeric value like a cost, a price, then you
Yeah.
can do that.